you please help the audience understand the real difference between a product manager role and a product owner role?
Certainly. The roles of product manager and product owner are critical in product development, particularly within agile frameworks, but they are often misunderstood or used interchangeably. Let's clarify the distinctions between the two. The product manager is a strategic role that operates at a higher level of the organization, focusing on the market and the product's overall success. They are responsible for defining the product vision and strategy. They align the product direction with the company's goals and market needs. Understanding the market and customer needs, they spend time researching the market and understanding customer problems to ensure the product remains competitive and relevant. Prioritizing opportunities, they assess opportunities and determine which ones should be pursued to maximize business value. Overseeing the product roadmap, they create a roadmap that conveys how the vision and strategy will be executed over time. Cross-functional collaboration, they work with various departments like marketing, sales, customer support, and finance to ensure the product's success. On the other hand, the product owner is a role more specific to Scrum and acts as the liaison between the development team and the product manager. Their focus is on execution and includes defining user stories, they translate the strategic goals into actionable tasks for development teams. Managing the product backlog, they prioritize backlog items by their value to the product and business goals, often for sprint planning. Accepting deliverables, they are responsible for accepting or rejecting work results and ensuring that what the team delivers meets the specified requirements. Communicating with stakeholders, they keep all parties informed about the progress and challenges of the development process. Maximizing value, they ensure that each iteration or sprint delivers value to the customer.
Jane, thanks for enlightening us on major difference. This is how I see this in summary. Product manager defines the why and what of a product, while the product owner focuses on turning that what into how, by working with the development team. Both roles require close collaboration to ensure that strategic vision aligns with execution.